Hello and welcome once again to my backyard griddle. What I'm putting down for you today is I'm going to make some apple fritter pancakes. And I had planned to make these apple fritter pancakes a while back when I first saw the recipe on the internet. But I kind of put it off until the other day. I was walking through Aldi's and I saw this. This is organic apple pie spice maple syrup. And I thought, that's a sign. That's a sign to me that I need to make apple fritter pancakes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me get this started. Stay tuned. So what I got here in my bowl is 2 cackle fruits, 2 eggs. We're gonna crack these in the bowl. I didn't do very well, did I? I got the shell in there and everything. Boy, what a mess. That's 1. 2 cackle fruit, 2 eggs in the bowl. Get a paper towel, wipe my hands. It's starting to rain out here. I'm getting wet. Oh, what am I going to do? I'm already into this, folks, so I gotta keep pressing on. I'm going to whip up my eggs. Hope my camera doesn't get wet. Whip up my eggs. Now, to that we're going to add some cinnamon. A bit of cinnamon spice. We like a little cinnamon. That's about, calling that a teaspoon of cinnamon. I can't believe this rained. We need a pinch of nutmeg. A pinch of nutmeg. That means you actually got to pinch it like that. A pinch of nutmeg. A little bit of vanilla extract. Just a little shot of that right there like that. There you go. Let's whip that all up. Apple fritter pancakes. What could be better? Alright. The next thing you're going to do is add some milk to that. We've got 2 cups of milk standing by. Hope my bowl's big enough. It's starting to think it's not going to be. 2 cups of milk to the eggs. Okay, now I've got a Honeycrisp apple and I'm going to peel it. Now when Chef John made his, he didn't peel the apple, but I feel like I got to peel the apple. I just don't want the apple peel in my stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm going to peel it, this Honeycrisp apple. I can't believe this weather. Man, 1 minute it's sunshine and next minute it's rain. Get my apple peeled up here. This is great. I love working in the rain. Oh boy. Now I got a cheese grater. And what I'm going to do is grate that Honeycrisp apple up into that milk and what do you call it? What else was in there? You know what was in there. Eggs and milk. We're going to grate in a Honeycrisp apple, the whole Honeycrisp apple. You got to be careful not to get the seeds and stuff in there, but we want to grate as much of this apple as I can get in there because this is apple fritter pancakes, right? So we want some apple in there. So I got to grate this without grating my hand, which would be disastrous for me. Probably be fun for you to watch, but I wouldn't like it. Yeah, I got another apple, but I think that one's going to be enough. Honeycrisp apple, they're good. They're the best apples, I'll tell you. They're even better than a Red Delicious in my opinion. So I've grated up this Honeycrisp apple as best I can without getting the seeds and without hurting myself. There we go. 1 grated Honeycrisp apple into my pancake batter. What I got now is 2 cups of this stuff. I'll show you. This is what I use for pancakes. Bisquick baking and pancake mix. It's the best stuff going. So I got 2 cups of that that I measured out, and I hate measuring stuff, but there it goes. 2 cups of pancake mix in there. Mix that up. I think I could probably grate some more apple in there if I have a mind to. I've even got another apple I could cut up in there. if I wanted to, which I just might do it because it doesn't seem to be enough apples for me. Anyway, yeah, that's not cutting it. I'm gonna have to put some more apples in there. It's a little too loose, to be honest with you. I followed the directions on the package and I probably shouldn't have. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the pancake batter mix in there, and I'm also gonna cut up some more apple in there. So let me get that cooked up. The next thing we gotta do is make our meat. We gotta fire up the griddle and make some meat, and then we'll make some apple fritter pancakes. So stay tuned. I've got some bacon and some sausages sizzling up on the Blackstone to go with my pancakes that I'm going to be making in a little minute here. As soon as I get my bacon and sausages done, we'll clean off the griddle. We'll throw down some, can't cook pancakes in bacon fat, just won't work. We got to put some butter down, and we'll cook up our apple fritter pancakes. But meanwhile, we got to cook our bacon for the rest of my breakfast. So, yeah, you probably love listening to bacon sizzle. I know I do. Bacon sizzle? Bacon sizzle. I know I do. I love these sausages too. To me, these sausages are all about breakfast, don't you think? Don't they look good? To flip that bacon around. Let me get my bacon cooked up, and we'll cook up some apple fritter pancakes. Stay tuned. Okay, the meat is done. It's time to do some pancakes. Let's throw down some butter. I'm going to throw 2 pats of butter to start with. And then I'm going to scoop up some of this pancake batter with my scooper. I think that scoop is not big enough, so I need to use this other one. So I want a big scoop of that stuff to put in my, there we go, a big scoop to make a pancake with. Apple fritter pancakes. Well, it's not working out like I thought it would. Let's throw another one down. I wonder if I can get these to come together somehow. I don't know. I don't think so. They're starting to cook too fast. They're going to be way too big. That's okay. We're just going to keep on going. Two really big apple fritter pancakes so far. We got to make more. This one's almost ready to flip. You can see the little bubbles coming in it. Got a little piece of extra pancake over there. We're going to shove that off into the drain. Almost ready to flip that one. That's a pretty big one. I'll tell you what, that's going to be one of mine for sure. Didn't turn out exactly like I thought it would. Let's see if it's ready to flip. Not quite. It's going to be hard to flip. I could get my other spatula out here. I don't know. I think I'm going to trim off some of that pancake there. It's getting kind of big. I don't know, let's throw down some more butter just for the hell of it. Just so it doesn't stick. I think I'm going to turn this burner off completely over here. Got enough heat coming from the other burner. Let's see if I can flip that. Got it. Oh baby. Don't that look good? Let's throw down some more butter over here. Got one going anyway. 1 apple fritter pancake. Let's try for 2. This one's not quite ready to flip. It's not in the hotter part of the griddle. It needs to like move over a little bit. There you go. Get it a little more cooked. We'll flip that puppy. It's puffing up nicely. I need my bowl over here for the finished pancakes. Got it. Okay. Yeah, I think that one's done. Let's take a look at the other side. Oh yeah. That's looking like something right there. Let's put that one in the bowl. Let's give this one a flip. Yeah. That's looking like something. Not like an apple fritter pancake, but it looks like something. Let me make some more of these. I think I can eat about 3 of these for sure. And I know the family's going to want some. So let me cook up some more of these. I'll get them plated up. We will put some of that apple spice syrup on them. And we'll drink some coffee. No beer today. Stay tuned. My apple fritter pancakes did not turn out exactly like I thought they would. They're more like apple fritter crepes. Not really like any kind of a fritter. But I'm betting you that they are delicious and so good for me. Oh, it's good. Oh yeah. That syrup is excellent. Apple spice syrup. Mmm. How about a sausage? What do you think? Mmm. And I got some baked apple coffee in my Skyrim mug. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry about the light, babies. It's a mess out here. There, is that better? Let me move this. That's a little better, not much. Hey, this didn't turn out like I thought it would. My batter was too sloppy. What I should have done was make the batter more, thick. But, having said that, these are delicious, I gotta tell you. Mmm. Oh boy. I hope Dog's gonna eat pancakes, so she's gonna eat that one. That piece I just dropped, that dog's gonna be all over it. Alright, babies, that's my video. You know what I always say, if you like this crap, I usually do this with a beer, we'll do it with coffee. That's Rolf. Rolf says, hey you, you're finally awake. Yes, I am, Rolf. I messed up these pancakes, but they're still delicious, believe it or not. And the bacon, I mean, you can't go wrong with bacon, can you? Mmm. I love that syrup, is delicious too. Apple spice syrup. Babies, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and visit my buddy Craig. Craig is a master barbecue guy. He's going to be making a new video any day now. So go see him. Come back next week. I may not cook anything good. I might botch it up like I did this week. But we will drink a beer, or maybe we'll drink a coffee. Who knows? Anyway, babies, we'll see you next week. Bye.